This stuffed pepper recipe is one that you will keep coming back to. It's so delicious. Ingredients are on the screen. Let's cook. Start by cooking some rice, any kind you like. I'm using basmati. While that's going, prep your bell peppers by slicing off the tops, remove the seeds, and place them in a microwave-safe dish. Microwave them for 3 minutes to soften. Now chop about 5 spring onions. You want them really fine, that's why I'm using a food processor. The onions will add a fresh bite to the filling. Now in a hot pan, add a pound of ground beef. Let it brown for 5 minutes, breaking it up as it cooks. Add the chopped onions, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and season with 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Once that's all fragrant, add 2 cups of your cooked rice, about 1 cup of tomato sauce, and 1/4 cup of dry currants. I recommend you don't skip the currants, because they will give a little unexpected sweetness. Give it all a good mix, and now take the peppers out of the microwave. This will be the fun part. Fill each pepper to the top with your beef and rice mix. Top them with your favorite cheese. You can use mozzarella or cheddar or whatever you like. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it, these stuffed peppers are ready to enjoy. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner or meal prep. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, bye!